Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business, but the thought of a huge upfront investment holds you back? What if I told you that you could launch a profitable business today, from the comfort of your home, with literally $0? It sounds too good to be true, but it's not. Welcome to the world of AI content creation. In this video, I am going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to build your very own AI content creation agency from scratch, without spending a single cent. We'll cover everything from the free tools you need, to finding your first clients, and scaling your income to thousands of dollars a month. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete blueprint to start earning money online using the power of artificial intelligence. So, grab a notepad, and let's get started on building your empire. First things first, what exactly is an AI content creation business? It's simple. You use AI tools to generate high-quality content for businesses, like blog posts, social media captions, email newsletters, and even video scripts. Businesses everywhere need a constant stream of content to attract customers, but many don't have the time or resources to create it themselves. That's where you come in. You become their go-to-content solution. And the best part is, you have a powerful AI assistant to do most of the heavy lifting for you. This isn't about replacing human creativity. It's about enhancing it, making you faster, more efficient, and able to handle more clients than you ever could on your own. So, let's talk about the tools. You might be thinking, don't these AI tools cost a lot of money? While there are premium versions, you can get started with incredibly powerful free options. The most obvious one is ChatGPT by OpenAI. The free version, GPT 3.5, is more than capable of producing excellent written content. You just need to learn how to talk to it, how to give it the right prompts. Think of yourself as a director and the AI as your actor. Your job is to give clear instructions to get the performance you want. Beyond ChatGPT, there are other amazing free tools. For generating stunning images, you can use platforms like Leonardo. Start by specializing. Are you good at writing? Offer blog post and article writing services. Maybe you have a knack for catchy one-liners. Specialize in social media content creation. Or perhaps you enjoy storytelling. Offer email newsletter or video script writing. A business might need for 1,000-word blog posts per month. Manually, that would take a lot of time. With AI, you can generate a detailed outline in minutes. Then, you can have the AI draft each section. Your job is to then edit, fact-check, and inject your own unique voice and style. You're not just copying and pasting. You are the editor, the strategist, the quality control specialist. This human touch is what clients pay for. You could easily charge a few $100s per month for a package like this. Do that for a few clients, and you have a real income. So, where do you find these clients? This is the part where most people get stuck, but it's simpler than you think. Let's start with the zero investment methods. First, your personal network. Tell your friends, family, and former colleagues what you're doing. You never know who might need your services or know someone who does. Post about your new venture on your personal social media profiles like LinkedIn, Facebook, or Instagram. Next, let's get proactive. Freelance platforms are your best friends here. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are free to join. Create a compelling profile that highlights the value you provide. Don't just say, "I write with AI." Say I provide fast, SEO-optimized blog content that drives traffic to your website. See the difference? It's about the result for the client, not the process. When you're starting out on these platforms, you might need to price your services a bit lower to get your first few reviews. Think of it as a marketing expense, except it only costs you your time. Create specific gigs or service packages. For example, I will write 3 SEO-optimized 500-word blog posts for your business. Deliver amazing quality and ask for a review. Those first 5-star reviews are gold. They build social proof and allow you to start increasing your prices. Another powerful free method is cold outreach, but with a twist. Don't just send a generic "hire me" email. Instead, provide value upfront. Find a local business, maybe a plumber or a new cafe. Look at their website. Do they have a blog? If not, use your AI tools to write one amazing, relevant blog post for them. For example, for the plumber, you could write 5 easy ways to prevent a winter pipe burst, then send them an email. Say something like, "Hi, I was on your website and I love what you do. I noticed you don't have a blog," which is a huge opportunity to attract more local customers searching for plumbing tips. I was so inspired that I actually wrote a sample post for you, attached for free, no strings attached. If you like it, I have a special introductory package to provide you with content like this every month. Let me know if you're interested in a quick chat. This approach has a much higher success rate because you've already demonstrated your value. You've given them a gift, not just a sales pitch. You can do the same thing on social media. Find businesses on Instagram with low engagement and create a week's worth of amazing captions for them, for free, as a sample of your work. Once you land your first client, your number 1 priority is to do an incredible job. Over-deliver. If you promised a 1,000-word article, deliver a 1,200-word one. If you promised it in 3 days, deliver it in 2. Word of mouth is still the most powerful form of marketing, and it's completely free. As you start getting more clients and your income grows, you can begin to scale. This is where you can reinvest some of your profits, if you choose. Don't let self-doubt or the fear of not having money stop you. The age of AI is here, and it's creating a level playing field for entrepreneurs everywhere. The time to act is now. Start today. Open up ChatGPT, pick a local business, and write that first free sample article. Take that first step. You might be surprised at how quickly your $0 investment turns into a thriving business. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide has inspired you and given you the confidence to start your own AI content creation journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. If you have any questions or you're starting your own agency, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Now go out there and build something amazing.